everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will prove the identities. So let us see bit I. What is given? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here in this type of questions, what we will do? We will prove LHS is equal to RHS. So we will take LHS. Take LHS. Take LHS. Left hand side. What is given? So this is your cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So now we require cos theta in the right side. So that is equal to your 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So that is equal to your sin theta, taking LCM, then we will get 1 minus cos theta whole square. Then that is equal to your how much? 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Now we will split sin square theta in terms of identities. What? So 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Identity sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So that is equal to here how much? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now cancelling this, what will get is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Proof. Now the second question, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So now similarly we will take LHS. We will take LHS. Take LHS. What? Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. So now that equal to your taking LCM, cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now here cos square A, cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. That is equal to your cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So now see, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 is there again 1. This is the 1. Then plus 2 sin A plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So that is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. That is equal to 2 common 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So this is cancelled. That is equal to your 2 by cos A is equal to 2 sec A, because 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Come to the next question. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So okay, taking LHS, left hand side, what will get? Tan theta will break it, will get sec theta and cosec theta. So directly will break it by sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. That equal to your sin theta by cos theta whole divided by your sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. That equal to your sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, that equal to your sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. See, here sin theta minus cos theta, here cos theta minus sin theta. So what we'll do? We'll change the sign to make it equal. That is equal to your sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Change it, change the sign. That equal to your LCM sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now we'll get sin theta. See, sin cube theta, we'll get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Okay, now AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So that equal to your sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. I have written A square plus B square plus AB. Okay, now sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So this cancel. That is equal to your sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta is equal to, this is your 1 by sin theta cosec theta sec theta 1 by cos theta sec theta plus 1, that is your RHS proved. Now move on to the next question. So here 1 plus sec A by sec A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So here we will solve separately LHS as well as RHS. So LHS 1 plus sec A by sec A is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos A by 1 by cos A. That is equal to your cos A plus 1 by cos A into cos A. So cos A cancelled. That is equal to your 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A. So now RHS. See, RHS. So RHS given sin square A by 1 minus cos A. We know sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, identity. So 1 minus cos A. That is equal to your 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A Now 1 minus cos A cancel. That is equal to your 1 plus cos A. So LHS is equal to RHS proved. Now see one thing. Here also we can see this is we have done, but here also we can get that implies your 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, multiplying 1 minus cos A both in numerator as well as denominator. Okay, that is equal to your 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. That is equal to your sin square A by 1 minus cos A. RHS proved. So in both the way we can solve this. Now move on to the next question. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So here in these type of questions what we will do? So we have to convert this into one identity of cosec and cot. So we'll divide. So divide taking LHS and dividing both numerator and denominator by sin A. By sin A. What will get? So cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. That is equal to your, we'll get cos A by sin A cot A minus 1 plus cosec A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Cosec A. So now here we can arrange it and write cot A plus cosec A minus 1 by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now applying identity, this one in cot and cosec we will get that is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A, because this is 1 whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 remains same as usual. That is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now cot A plus cosec A plus cot A taking common, cot A plus cosec A taking common will get 1 minus cosec A plus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now see, plus cot A minus cos A plus 1 cancel. That is equal to your cot A plus cosec A. So cosec A plus cot A is equal to RHS proved. Now move on to the next question. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A whole root over is equal to sec A plus tan A. So here in this root over cases we will take LHS. Root over is there. Now plus is there. Here plus is there. So we have to multiply a term which has plus sign between these two. 1 plus sign we have to multiply both in numerator as well as denominator, keeping the root over as usual. So now 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A whole root over. By multiplying this, the value will not change. Now that equal to your 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A, f minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. That is equal to your 1 plus sin A whole square. So by 1 minus sin square A is your cos square A whole root over. So that is equal to your root over is there, square is there, cancelling, we will get 1 plus sin A by cos A. That is equal to your 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. That is equal to your 1 by cos A sec A plus sin A by cos A tan A. So RHS proved. So if plus is there, we have to multiply plus having terms both in numerator and denominator. If minus will be there, we have to multiply minus having terms in both numerator as well as denominator. Now move on to the next bit. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta whole divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Here take LHS. We have to prove RHS. So sin theta taken common 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta taken common 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin square theta will be expressed in term of cos square theta, or cos square theta will be expressed in term of sin square theta to cancel it. So okay, now sin theta, so 1 ut 1 minus 2 into sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to here sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Already I have written here. Now 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to here tan theta into 2 cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 cancel. That is equal to your tan theta is equal to RHS. Proved. So now moving to the next question. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. So now take LHS. Sin A plus cosec A whole square A plus B whole square is equal to sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A plus cos A plus sec A whole square cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Okay, that is equal to sin square A plus cos square A, that is your 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 sin A into 1 by sin A, okay, plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. So cos A cancelled, sin A cancelled. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus cos square A. We require tan square A, cos square A. So we will use the identity. Cos x square A is equal to what? 1 plus cos square A plus sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So that is equal to your 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus cos square A plus tan square A is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. So this is your RHS proved. So now move on to the next question. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So here we will solve separately LHS as well as RHS for our convenience. So now LHS cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by sin A minus sin A into 1 by cos A minus cos A. That is equal to your sin A LCM. Okay. Now 1 minus sin square A into cos A LCM 1 minus cos square A. Okay. So 1 minus sin square A is your cos square A. Cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A sin square A. Sin square A by cos A. Now sin A sin square A will get sin A. Cos square A will get cos A. So that is equal to your sin A cos A. Now we'll take to RHS. RHS will solve that 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. I can write it sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is your sin A cos A. Now here we'll get sin square A plus cos square A 1. So that is equal to 1 into sin A cos A by 1, because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So that is equal to your sin A cos A. Hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. Now move on to the next question. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. So here what we will do? This will be this. Again this will be this. So we have to prove 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. Again you have to prove 1 minus tan A whole divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Then we get this total. So now take 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. That is equal to your 1 plus tan square A is your sec square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to your cosec square A using identity. That is equal to your 1 by cos square A by 1 by sin square A, because sec square A is equal to 1 by cos square A and cosec square A is equal to 1 by sin square A is equal to 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. So that is equal to your sin square A by cos square A is equal to, directly we can write sin A by cos A whole square is equal to tan square A. Now move on to the next bit. See, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square, that is equal to 1 minus sin A by cos A, that is your tan A, by 1 minus cos A by sin A, that is your cot A, okay, whole square, that equal to your cos A minus sin A by cos A by sin A minus cos A by sin A whole square, okay, that is equal to your cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A whole square by cos square into sin square A by sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A whole square, that equal to cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A into sin square A whole divided by cos square A into sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A, okay. So cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A, sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A will directly cancel this one, then we'll get that is equal to sin square A by cos square A is equal to sin A by cos A whole square is equal to tan square A. So RHS proved. So now we got 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Thus 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos as much as possible. And give your comment in the comment section to inspire me to upload more and more conceptual videos and questions related to your board examinations in the upcoming videos. Thank you.